And here we're going to start with 150 grams of Japanese short grain rice.
Plenty of water.
We're going to wash it and repeat this washing process 3 times. So I study here. Music. This part is very important to make the rice fluffier, tastier, and more aromatic. And this is the last time. And now the last wash. And now we're going to polish the rice, because every grain of rice has a layer of fat, so we have to remove that layer. Now it's just a little bit of water. And now let's do this polishing motion. We're going to polish the grains. And we're going to do this movement about 50 times. And after doing it 50 times, we'll remove the water again. A lot of water. And wash it. And we're going to polish it 3 times. A little bit of water. And polish. And repeat the same motion 50 times. Here we go. And now the final polishing. And now here we've done the 3 washes, the 3 polishings, and 3 more washes after polishing. The rice is ready to be cooked. I'm going to put it here in the pot. And now let's leave it resting for 15 minutes so the rice can absorb the little bit of water that's left. This is important so it helps our rice expand. After resting for 15 minutes, add 150 milliliters of water. It's the same amount for both rice and water. And if the rice package says Chiang Mai, it means it needs less water for cooking. And that's it. Just turn it on. Meanwhile, let's prepare the seasoning with 25 grams of refined sugar, 25 milliliters of rice vinegar, 10 milliliters of mirin, and 10 grams of salt. Now just mix everything very well. And let's set it aside. The cooking time is up. Turn it off. And let's let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix the rice, always cutting through it, never stirring like this. Add our seasoning little by little and keep mixing. I'm going to transfer it to this baking dish so it cools down faster. Here's a mango. Just peel it. Make a cut here to make it straighter. It will be about this thick. And cut like this. A piece of cucumber about the length of 4 fingers. The easiest way is to cut the base here. Steady it. And cut like this. And now cut it really thin. 3 imitation crab sticks. Just slice them. And here I have 2 nori seaweed sheets. This one is for sushi. You can notice that there are lines here, right, drawn on it. These are cutting lines. We're going to cut here and follow this line. You just need to fold it. Do it like this. And you just need to cut it. And the thing is, the seaweed always has to be crispy. If you think it's soggy, I'll show you a way to make it crispy. Here you just need to turn your stove on very low heat and quickly pass your nori over it. It will dry out the moisture, and it will get really crispy. Just pass it like this about 3 times. And it's ready. Really quick. Done. And done. And now to start making our temaki. Always keep a small bowl of water nearby. The ingredients. And the rice on the side. Here, just take our seaweed. It has a shinier side and a less shiny side. The shinier side should always face out. Let's put it here in your hand. Hold it here. And let's split the seaweed in half. And we'll use only this side here. Just wet your hand a little bit. Just a little bit, really. Take about 200 grams of rice and put it here, on this half over here. Spread it well. You can put it right on the sides. And now add the filling. Always. Here, look, and then. Never like this, okay? Always add a diagonal. Put in all the filling, but don't put too much because it'll be hard to close later. And now we're going to take this tip here and bring it over here. Here, holding and turning, and with these 3 fingers here, we're going to hold it in place and close it. And keep rolling it. And here at the tip, take a piece of rice and stick it. And it will look like this. Here, one more time. Spread it well. Between 100 and 150 grams of rice. Always divide in the middle. And spread it well. Grab this end, bring it, and these 3 fingers. Let's shape it. A little piece of rice, a grain. Just close it. And it's ready. And the soy sauce I always recommend with sushi or temaki is always Kikkoman. Just pour it on top and eat.